I'd pay 18 a month.
It's worth it though.
Oh yeah. Up top.
You got another one too.
Yeah. Heck no, you should see all the leather I got, man.
Yeah.
That's my leather.
Which one? Which one? 225.
That one now, see? Yeah, that works. Tuning.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, cousin over there.
Good. Mark.
The guy.
Yes, sir.
My kids. Way up top.
Way up top.
You got any retirement money? Yeah, we all top.